Tonight, the astronomy world is in shock. New high-resolution images of the interstellar object 3I Atlas, originally classified as a comet, have revealed something never before seen in an object entering our solar system. An anti-tail. A structure that appears to point toward the sun, not away from it. Scientists admit we have no natural explanation for its geometry. This is the third interstellar visitor in recorded history, and now the first one displaying behavior that defies classical comet mechanics. The new images come from a combination of the Subaru telescope in Hawaii, ESA's solar orbiter, amateur astronomers using stacked exposures, the pictures show a primary tail pointing away from the sun, normal, a second tail pointing toward the sun, not normal, a thin, razor-sharp alignment with the solar wind, a faint green coma that intensifies every 9 hours. A twist in the tail resembling helical structure, this is not how a comet behaves. Astronomer Dr. Elena Costa explains, an anti-tail technically happens when dust trails curve along orbital paths. But 3I Atlas is not following a classical orbit. The geometry is too perfect, too stable. An anti-tail is a rare optical effect where dust appears to extend toward the sun. But Atlas's anti-tail is thicker, brighter. Longer. And far more symmetric than expected. And the most unsettling part, it does not rotate with the object. The antitail stays locked in one orientation, like a stabilizer. Dr. Felix Romanov states, it's behaving like something actively correcting its shape. Tracking data shows Atlas is slightly accelerating. Slightly changing direction. And not shedding mass symmetrically. The antitail seems to strengthen each time the object adjusts velocity. This is unheard of. Objects entering the solar system from interstellar space do not course correct. At least, not naturally. Spectroscopic analysis reveals anomalies in carbon chain molecules. Unusual isotopic ratios. Traces of metallic ions that don't match typical comets. One spectral spike at 21.3 microns should not exist in a natural body. It's emitting this frequency in perfect intervals. Every 46 minutes. The same period detected in 3I's rotational brightness changes. Meaning, The object pulses. And the tail pulses with it. ESA's solar orbiter captured UV imagery showing the anti-tail glows under specific ultraviolet frequencies. Like it's reacting to solar radiation in a controlled way. And then the shock. A sudden burst of radio noise detected around the object. Three spikes. One long tone. Repeating for 19 seconds. Pattern recognition flagged it as structured, non-random signal. Space agencies refused to comment. When scientists mapped the anti-tail's direction over time, it always pointed toward one region. The inner solar system, directly toward Earth's orbital path. Even when the object wasn't aligned. Even when solar wind should have warped it. The anti-tail behaves more like an antenna, a fin, a stabilizing rudder, or a scanning ray. Then like dust. This is not opinion. These are the measurements. The astronomy community is split. Group A, rare but natural phenomenon. They argue geometry coincidences happen. Dust trails can look artificial. Spectra can be misread. Group B, something is wrong. They highlight stable orientation. Repeating spectral emissions. Course correction behavior. Radio patterns. Anomalous acceleration. Dr. Amar Gupta says, if this is natural, nature is behaving intelligently. Compared to Oumuamua and Borisov, Atlas is brighter. More reactive. More stable. And far more complex. Its approach vector suggests it came directly from the direction of Lyra. Oumuamua also came from Lyra. Now Atlas. two interstellar visitors. From the same region. Within the same human lifetime. Coincidence? Maybe. Maybe not. Yesterday, a new sequence of images was released. The anti-tail did something no comet tail should do. It temporarily separated from the object. Like a stream of material being deployed. Then it reconnected. Almost magnetically. One astrophysicist described it as a mechanical part moving independently. NASA declined to comment. Three-Eye Atlas will pass perihelion soon. Its behavior near the Sun will reveal the truth. If it is natural, the anti-tail will break. The dust will scatter. Trajectory will remain ballistic. If it is not natural, the anti-tail will hold. Maneuvers may intensify. Its alignment might remain fixed. Telescopes worldwide are now locked on the object. Scientists want answers. Governments want control. And the public wants truth. For now, all we know is this. Three-Eye Atlas is not behaving like a comet. And its anti-tail is not behaving like dust. Something is guiding this object. Or something is inside it. And if the anti-tail is intentional, then this might be the first mechanical structure ever observed on an interstellar visitor. The narrator closes. If this is just a comet, why does it look like something trying to communicate? Or navigate? The video fades out on the last line. Objects do not come to us from deep space by accident. Black screen. Soft static. End.